Okay, so today we're gonna try to reball a Hydra chip. It's extremely small. Let me get the Q-tip. So as you all know, this Q-tip here, you can see how small it is. That's the tip of my Q-tip, which is extremely sharp one. So for this, we're gonna first do a cleanup. I'm gonna use some flux. Wait for the iron tip to heat up. Alright. I don't wanna put too much heat on the chip. We're gonna give it a bit of a clean. Clean this area first. There's still there one blob of solder that I would like to remove. Well, the flux. I think that's better. Not bad. Hope you see it. Alright, so we're gonna use some stencil. Let me see what we have here. Solder paste, stencil. Need to bring the hot air gun. Alright, let's see which will fit here. I think maybe this one. No. This one. No. This one. No. This one. This one is a bit big. I'm not sure I'm gonna have one that will be a perfect match. But is this big? No. So this would be the proper one. Okay, perfect. Okay, let me find a tool to scrape. Okay, so I'm gonna place a napkin here, and because the solder paste is extremely wet, I'm gonna try to get a blob of it and dry it up a bit. This is way too much. Okay, so let's see how this will work. I'm just gonna blow some around. Okay, so some of the flux is now gone in the paper. I'm gonna put this aside. Get the chip over. Of course, I can't turn it around now. Okay, we bring this back in focus. Hope you can see it. The other tweezers. Okay, this is fairly clean. Let's see which one is the correct. Is it this one? No. Is it this one? Yes. Perfect. Got it from the first try. Alright. So we're gonna get some of the dried solder paste. Let's see. Not sure I can use this tool. Yeah, I can. Okay, perfect. Use something to clean this. Yeah. Okay. Get my tweezers to hold the stencil in place without moving it too much, and give it some air. And we've got bolage. Right, let me remove it. I hope you got this on the camera. I wasn't paying attention on the microscope camera. Where is my blade? Damn it. I'm always losing my stuff. This is annoying. I'm gonna slightly push it back. Doesn't work with these tweezers. Doesn't want to come out. I'm gonna hit it a bit, because now is the flux that is holding it back. I'm gonna give it too much heat, just a tad. I know you wanna come off. Okay, perfect. And it is off. Alright, we're gonna give it a bit of a flux. Just a tiny bit. This is dirty. To use my tweezers. just give it a reflow. That's perfect. Very nice. Let's do a bit of cleaning. Lost it. Yeah, so it looks excellent. Look, this is, can you see it? Maybe, I don't know. This is perfect. And this is how I reflow the Hydra chip. Looks really good. Alright, thank you.